love comes at the most unexpected time. Truly, love is. Magical. What if? The woman you believe is yours was already committed to another man. Are you going to stay or let go? Disclaimer: this video digest is based on an actual case. The facts stated have been made public through publication and internet. If any details, especially of the petitioner and the defendant, is offensive in any way, kindly message me in my Facebook account. Family Code Article 40. The absolute nullity of a previous marriage may be invoked for purposes of remarriage on the basis solely of a final judgment declaring such previous marriage void.
Hello guys, I am James Dumocho and I'm here to share to you the case entitled Lilia Olivia Wiegel versus Honorable Judge Alicia v. Sempio-Diy. Let me state first the facts of the case. Karl-Heinz Wiegel was married to Lilia Olivia Wiegel on July 1978 at the Holy Catholic Apostolic Christian Church branch in Makati, Metro Manila. Later, Karl-Heinz found out that his wife, Lilia, contracted her first marriage to Eduardo Maccion. The ceremony was performed on June 25, 1972 at Our Lady of Church in Quezon City. Lilia admitted the existence of the said subsisting marriage, but she contends that the marriage was null and void. According to Lilia, she and her first husband Eduardo was forced to enter such marital union. In the pre-trial that ensued, the issue agreed upon by both parties was the status of the first marriage. Was the prior marriage void or was it merely voidable? Contesting the validity of the pre-trial order, Lilia asked the respondent court for an opportunity to present evidence. However, Judge Alicia v. Sempio-Diy the presiding judge of Juvenile and Domestic Relations Court of Caloocan City ruled against the presentation of evidence because the existence of force exerted on both parties of the first marriage had already been agreed upon. Hence, Lilia filed a petition for certiorari before the Supreme Court. Now, let's proceed to the issue of the case. The issue of the case is whether or not Lilia's first marriage to Eduardo is void. For the ruling is no. Lilia's first marriage to Eduardo is not considered void. Under the law, the absolute nullity of a previous marriage may be invoked for purposes of remarriage on the basis solely of a final judgment declaring such previous marriage void. In this case, Lilia's first marriage to Eduardo Maccion was still valid when she contracted the second marriage to Karl-Heinz Wiegel, since there is no annulment or a judicial declaration of nullity of the previous marriage. Even if the first marriage is void, there is still a need of declaration of nullity.